Shower, shower, blessing. Shower so blessing we need. Mercy from the falling, but for the shower we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, precious reviving again, over the hills and the valleys, sound of abundance of rain, showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Thank you.
I invite Eva for the welcome speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Eva Sara Babu from Grade 4. I would like to welcome our honorable guest and Principal Sriju Thomas ma'am to this event. Welcome, ma'am. I also welcome teachers, parents, and students to this event. Welcome all. Today, Grade 4 assigned to study and discuss about the importance of water. As all we know, water is very essential for everyone. We cannot imagine the life without water. Unfortunately, nowadays water is getting polluted more and more from different sources. Polluted water is harmful for trees, animals, and humans. Polluted water can cause dangerous diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, and typhoid. Later, we will discuss more about it. I would also like to share some proverbs I learned from my parents and teachers. പലതുള്ളി പെരുവെള്ളം ജലം ഒരു വരം വെള്ളം വെള്ളം സർവത്ര തുള്ളി കുടിക്ക ഇല്ലത്രേ. Once again, I welcome everyone to this event and thanking my teachers for giving me this opportunity to welcome everyone. Thank you.
Next, I invite Irene Vinod.
Hey, it's me. I have a large body of water that is entirely surrounded by land. This water can be fresh or more rarely salty or saline. I have many importance in human life and other things. I help to regulate the flow of a river. During rainfall, I prevent flooding, and during the dry season, I help to maintain an even flow of water. I can also be used for developing hydel power. I help to moderate the climate of the surroundings, maintain the aquatic ecosystem, enhance natural beauty, help develop tourism and provide recreation. Thank you.
Next is Maria Matthew.
Ocean. Ocean is the largest water body, mainly consisting of saline water. It covers 72% of the Earth's surface and around 90% of its biosphere. Ocean act as a shelter for various aquatic species like whales, sharks, crabs, and fishes, etc. The smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean, and the largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean covers 1/3 of the Earth's surface and is the deepest ocean of the world. Plastics pollution, exploitation of fishing resources, oil drilling, ocean acidification, and coral bleaching affect the safety of ocean and coastal communities. Thank you.
Next, by Sarah Elizabeth.
Hi, good evening to all. My name is Sarah Elizabeth Kurian. I am talking about river. I am a river. My name is Ganga. I am a famous water body in India. I flow from Himalaya. People used to drink from my water and use for farming. But now I am polluted with waste disposal by humans. Drinking my water can cause waterborne diseases. Thank you.
By Dia.
Hi friends, before introducing myself, I will give some clue on who I am. I am very important for all the life on earth. Plants, animals, trees, human beings and all of them needs me. I am responsible for the greenery that we see around you and for the flowers in your garden. Kids like me very much and they would love to play with me. Any guesses, dear friends?
Rain.
My name is Rain. I will share more about myself and how I reached Earth. To understand how it rains, I need to introduce my friend Sun. Sun shines the heat of the sun warms the water. It converts water into gas called water vapor. This process of changing water into water vapor is called evaporation. Since gases are lighter than liquid, the water vapor rises into the sky. The water vapor moves up and down the sky until the temperature becomes cold. Then the water vapor cools and changes back into tiny water droplets. This change is called condensation. Now I introduce my friend Cloud. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets. When condensation occurs in the sky, clouds form and grow. When water droplets grow in size, it becomes difficult for them to hold together and they fall down as rain. I will come as a drizzle or a shower. A drizzle is slow, light rain, whereas shower is a fast, heavy rain. When I reach Earth, all are very happy. Peacock dances, fish jumps, kids play, farmers sow new seeds, and it feels fresh. After rain, the water flows to river and the whole process starts again. This is called water cycle. Thank you.
I invite Alana Binu. Next by Celine.
Good evening to one and all. Do you know who I am? I will give you a clue. I'm a huge body of salt water. Sea. Yes, sea. I'm the sea. A home to many aquatic animals like turtle, whale, shark, dolphin, etc. Do you know the benefits of the sea? Yes, the source of food, transportation, electricity generation, trade, extraction of salt, crude oil, etc. But I'm getting polluted by throwing garbages, taking of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, also by mining oil spills, dumping plastic waste. Pollution of seawater leads to harmful effect on marine animals and algal blooms. Pollution affects the food chain, affects human health. People suffer from cancer and kidney damage due to the consumption of seafood containing toxins. I will tell you the way to reduce pollution of seawater. We must use organic fertilizers and pesticides. Create awareness among people. Less consumption of seafood. So, reduce, reuse and recycle. Thank you.
Next by Anna Jonu.
തോടും കുളവും കിണറുകളും ജലമേകുന്നു നമ്മൾക്ക് മരയും പുരയും കാത്താരും ജലമേകുന്നു നമ്മൾക്ക് ജലാശയങ്ങൾ വട്ടാതെ കാത്തിടേണം നാമെന്നും ജലാശയങ്ങൾ മൂടാതെ സൂക്ഷിക്കണം നാമെന്നും ജലമില്ലാണ്ടൊരു ജീവിക്കും കഴിയാനാവില്ല ഈ മണ്ണിൽ ജലത്തെ നന്നായി സൂക്ഷിക്കാം ജലം ഇത് നാടിൻ സമ്പത്ത് നന്ദി.
Next is a video presentation by Jovin, Baby Vinod and Ayush.
Hi friends, I am Jovin Baby Vinod. Today I am talking about water pollution. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances such as chemical contaminate a stream, river, lake or ocean, degrading water quality and will be toxic to human or environment. The causes of water pollution are industrial waste, marine dumping, sewage and wastewater, oil leak, agricultural, global warming, and radioactive waste. The major causes of water pollution are sewage and wastewater, sewage, garbage, and liquid waste of households. Agricultural land and factories are discharged into lakes and rivers. These wastes contain harmful chemicals and toxics which make the water poisonous for aquatic animals and plants. Moreover, dumping of solid waste and litter in water bodies cause huge problems. Different things take different amount of time to degrade in water. They affect aquatic plants and animals.
Good afternoon to the respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak a few words about water pollution. Water is the important resource for survival on a planet. It is the essence of life on earth. Nowadays we are facing a very serious problem of water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like lakes, rivers, oceans, land, groundwater, usually caused due to the human activities. Water gets polluted because of domestic sewage from villages and cities is disposed of in river water. Use of fertilizers and pesticides in agricultural activities can also affect water. Direct disposal of industrial waste, oil spillage, and human waste, washing of clothes, are also causes of water pollution. Diseases are spread due to the water pollution. It may causes typhoid, cholera, etc. Water pollution affects ecosystem. It causes death of aquatic animals, decrease oxygen level, and retard plant growth. Treating waste products before disposing of it in water bodies helps reduce water pollution. So we can work together to keep the environment clean and people who depend on it remain healthy. Thank you. I invite Ishan MS for a poem.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to be reciting a very short poem about water. It's called Water, Water Everywhere. Water, water everywhere to wash my hands and wash my hair. It's nice to drink it by the pool. Slurp it, sip it, nice and cool. It comes from the clouds, don't you know? Falls in rain and also snow. Keep it clean or you'll be sick. Thank you.
A presentation by Anika and Josh. Good afternoon to the respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak a few words about water pollution. Water is the important resource for survival on a planet. It is the essence of life on earth. Nowadays we are facing a very serious problem of water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like lakes, rivers, oceans, land, groundwater,
Acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins with compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are released into the air, and also the exhaust from cars, trucks and bus release nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide into the air. This pollution causes acid rain. It causes respiratory issues, eyes problems, skin problems, heart attacks, and humans and animals. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Josh Matthew studying in Guardian Public School, Grade 4. Here I am going to present a short video regarding acid rain.
Pure water is required for our existence and healthy living. Rain is the main source of getting pure water. But due to environmental pollution, the rainwater gets polluted with gases emitted from vehicles and industries. The rain that mixes with sulfur oxides and nitrous oxides will form weak acids of sulfuric acid and nitric acid, which is known as acid rain. Acid rain will cause lots of environmental impacts to trees, plants, animals, and fish in fresh water. They are also harmful to human beings. So we should try to reduce polluting sources and control environmental pollution for a better tomorrow. Thank you.
Next by Pranit Prem.
Hi friends, myself Pranit Prem. Now we are going to see which water is the best for your body. Here I have 5 water samples. This is battery water. This is well water. This is Kadambaraya river water. This is filter water and this is rainwater. This is a pH tester. With this pH tester, I am going to test the pH nature of these water samples. Now let's see the color changes of these water samples. We can see different colors like red, yellow, orange, green, blue, purple. Now I am going to show you a pH chart. With the help of a pH chart, we can identify which water is acidic, which water is alkaline, and which water is neutral. You can see this battery water is yellow in color. So this battery water is acidic. And this well water is dark green in color. So this well water is neutral. And this rainwater is also in yellow color. So this rainwater is acidic. And this filter water is slightly green. So this filter water is slightly neutral. And this river water is green in color. But the Kadambaraya river water is not really this neutral. It's really acidic, but I don't know. With the help, if it is blue or purple, that water is alkaline water and good for your body. But if it is red, yellow, orange, means that water is acidic, not good good for your health. She agreed that water is neutral. So we can conclude that it's not recommended to drink acidic water as it can lead to toxicity and erode tooth enamel. Drinking alkaline water helps you slow down your aging process and prevent various chronic diseases. Thank you.
Next, I invite Evan and Ansa.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, today we are talking about the rainwater harvesting.
Do you know what is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting the rainwater and then that water is stored in a tank and which is used for household use. This is one of the cheapest form of conserving water. Why do you harvest rainwater? Rainwater which is poor and good quality can be used for irrigation, washing, cooking, bathing and etc.
Advantages of the rainwater harvesting: less cost, helps in reducing the water bill, decreases the demand for water, reduces the need for imported water, improves the quality and quantity of groundwater.
Now we made one model of rainwater harvesting. Now we are going to show how rainwater is collecting.
This is collection tank, this is filtration tank, and this is well. The water is collected in the collection tank and is going through the filtration tank and is stopped in the well. Now we can use this water for different purposes like washing the clothes, washing the utensils, gardening, farming, etc. Water is important for us. Water is precious for us. So save water. Thank you.
Next, by Ron.
Good morning, one and all. Today, I am presenting how electricity produced from water. I am Ron Kurian Abraham from grade 4. Water. 2/3 of our earth is covered with water. Water is inevitable for all animals and plants in earth. The main uses of water are drinking, cleaning, cooking, and generation of hydroelectricity, etc. As you know, electricity produced from water. We lot of heard about hydroelectricity projects. As a part of my PBL, I visited Asia's largest dam, Idukki Hydroelectric Project. Water from 3 rivers are stored there. The water from Idukki Dam is flowing down through penstock pipes and come to powerhouse located at Moolamattam, and electricity is produced there. The main components of hydroelectric projects are dams or water reservoir, penstock pipes, powerhouse, and turbine in the powerhouse. Please watch it. So, here I am explaining my PBL. You can see the dam. Huge amount of water is stored there. Water is flowing through penstock pipes and coming to powerhouse. The water is falling to the turbine and it is rotating in very high speed. So one kinetic energy is produced and it is converted to electricity. This is distributed through electric lines and coming to our homes. Finally, here I am showing you a small model of hydroelectric project which was crafted myself. Hope all you got the basic idea of hydroelectric project. Thank you and have a nice day.
Next, I invite Anne Maria.
Understanding how electricity produced from water.
What is water scarcity? What is water scarcity? Water scarcity is the lack of fresh water resource to meet the standard water demands. Two types of water scarcity have been defined: physical or economic water scarcity. Physical water scarcity is where there is not enough water to meet all demands, including that needed for ecosystem to function effectively. Thank you and have a nice day.
A presentation by Alex.
Flood. A flood is an overflow of water. The submerged land that is usually wet. It can also occur in river when the flow rate exceeds the capacity of river channel. Flood often is the damage to home and business. Flood is a natural disaster. Floods are often caused by heavy rainfall, snow melt, and cyclones. We can prevent flood by planting trees and taking care of our nature. Thank you.
Next by Crichton.
Hi friends, my name is Crichton Vergisino. I am studying in 4th standard. A very pleasant good morning to all, respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Crichton Vergisino. I would like to deliver a short topic that's scarcity according to growing population. Water is the basic necessity of every human being, but water scarcity is a major issue that rising very rapidly. In modern day India, water scarcity main causes is growing population. The strain on the water system will grow by 2015 when the world population will reach between 9.4 and 10.2 billion, a 22 to 34 percentage increases. At present, slightly less than one half of global population, 3.6 billion people or 47% live in areas that suffer water scarcity at least 1 month each year. Thank you.
I invite Jane for the presentation.
Hi, my dear teachers and my friends. My name is Jane Abraham from grade 4. Today I am going to talk about sprinkler irrigation. Do you know what is sprinkler irrigation? Today I will take you to a miniature form of a field. We are here, friends. This is the farmhouse. This is the water tank. Can you see a motor in the tank? The water goes through the pump to main line, to sub main line, to laterals,
and sprinklers. The sprinklers are attached to laterals. Sprinkler irrigation is a method of applying water which is similar like rainfall. Water is distributed uniformly all over the area using sprinklers. It is best suitable for sandy soils and is adaptable to most soil. A good clean supply of water is required to avoid problems of blockage. Now I am going to show you how the sprinkler works. Let's switch on the water. Wow, the sprinkler is working nicely and it looks like rainfall, just like I said before. Now I am going to say about uses of sprinkler. Water saving 30% to 50%. Reduce water loss. Suitable for irrigation where the plant population per unit area is very high. Reduce labor cost. Increase it. Example, chili, onion, wheat, sunflower, tomato, etc. Save our earth and save our water system. Thank you.
Next by Angelina.
Good evening, all of you. I am Angelina from grade 4. Today I am going to present here water purification method using coconut shell. First, we want a glass and 3 coconut shells with holes. Fill charcoal on the first shell, soil on the second shell, gravel on the third shell. Now we can arrange the layers. First layer is charcoal layer. Second layer is soil layer. Third layer is gravel layer. Now take some dirty water and pour into this. Wait for some time. The water is clear. Thank you.
Next is a presentation by Abel.
Please unmute yourself, Abel. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Abel Sidoshi. Today I am going to explain about waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases are the diseases that we get from water. Can you get some examples for waterborne diseases? Don't worry, I will help you. They are diarrhea, typhoid, amphibiasis. Diarrhea. Luckily, diarrhea is usually short-lived, lasting no more than a few days. Typhoid. Typhoid is a bacterial infection that can lead to a high fever, diarrhea, and vomiting. Amphibiasis. People can get this parasite by eating or drinking something That's contaminated effect. Thank you.
Next by Paulvin.
Today I speak about waterborne disease. Waterborne diseases are mostly transmitted by fecal or transmitted disease. First one, cholera. Cholera symptoms is heart attack, low blood pressure, vomiting. Next, dengue. Dengue symptoms is headache, eye pain, joint pain, vomiting, bone pain, high fever. Next, malaria. Malaria infected liver and blood cells. Next, hepatitis. Hepatitis symptoms is vomiting, joint pain, jaundice. Next, leptospirosis. Leptospirosis symptoms is fever, headache, vomiting, skin rash, red eyes. Thank you.
I invite Chabal for his video.
What is water-induced disaster? Water-related hazards or hydrohazards are the results of complex interactions in the ocean atmosphere land process cascade. Water-induced disasters include floods, landslides, tsunamis, storms, and droughts. Floods. Floods are the most frequent type of natural disaster and occur when an overflow of water submerges land that is usually dry. Floods are often caused by heavy rainfall, rapid snowmelt, cyclone, or tsunami. Landslide. A landslide is the movement of rock, earth, or debris down a sloped section of land. Landslides are caused by rain, earthquakes, volcanoes, or other factors that make the slope unstable. Tsunami. Tsunami is a natural disaster which is a series of fast-moving waves in the ocean caused by powerful earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and landslides. Sometimes weather events such as hurricanes or cyclones can cause storms. Drought. A drought is a period of drier than normal conditions that results in water-related problems. The amount of precipitation at a particular location varies from year to year, but over a period of years, the average amount is fairly constant. Cyclone. A cyclone is a large-scale air mass that rotates around strong centers of low pressure. Cyclone depends on wind speed, direction, temperature, and humidity. Thank you.
Next, Alana Binu.
I think Alana is not there. Shravan, you can continue.
Okay. पानी.
पानी
सबसे जरूरी पदार्थ है इसके बिना हमारी धरती नहीं रहेंगी. दुनिया की सब जीवजालों को पानी बहुत जरूरी है. दुनिया का केवल 3% पानी ही उपभोग कर सकते हैं. बाकी सब नामकीन और गंदा पानी है. इसलिए हर एक व्यक्ति को पानी का संरक्षण करना चाहिए. With that, we are at the end of the session. Let me invite our Cultural Secretary Eldo Basil for vote of thanks.
A warm and grateful evening to all the dignitaries, teachers, parents, and dear friends. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this project-based learn happen. I, although on behalf of Guardian Public School, first of all extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we are able to make this event a remarkable one. On behalf of my school, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our guest of honor, our principal, Ms. Riju Thomas, who spared her time from the busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Thank you, ma'am. I also thank our executive principal, Mr. Rajneesh RV. Thank you, sir. Thanks to all the dignitaries and the Guardian family. Sincere gratitude to all the parents and well-wishers for your support and encouragement. Finally, I would like to thank all my dear friends. Your days of hard work was evident in your performance. Last but not least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this project-based learning memorable for all of us. Thank you.